Hi friends, today I would like to share with you number one life hack that can really help you in attracting abundance and prosperity in your life. It's a very simple hack. All it requires is you to demonstrate faith and believe in it. I have tried it a number of times and it has worked for me every single time. So what's the hack? So the hack is very simple. Give more to get more. So whatever you want more in life, start giving more of it. So if you want more money, start giving more money to the others. If you want to be more loved, start loving more people. If you want people to help you, start reaching out to more people and start helping them. And as trivial as something, if you want more people to engage with your social media posts, start engaging with their posts first. Now what you should remember, it's not necessary that when you are giving more to someone, you will get something more from the same person or the same set of people. That's not necessarily, but you will get from some other sources, that's for sure. So why don't you go try it and share your feedback? I would be looking forward to it. Thank you.